Imagine you are a Space Force Guardian, a member of our nation's newest branch of the Armed Forces. You are assigned to the National Space Defense Center at Schriever Space Force Base on the outskirts of Colorado Springs, where you're charged with protecting and defending our nation's vital interests in space. By 2030, there could be up to 100,000 satellites orbiting Earth, doing everything from providing broadband internet to the far reaches of the globe, to enabling command and control of nuclear forces, to sending that blue GPS navigation dot to your phone. Our national security, economic prosperity, and way of life depend on space, and your job is to monitor everything, from satellites in low Earth orbit just a few hundred miles above the Earth's surface to geosynchronous orbit over 22,000 miles away. Luckily, you've got a great set of tools to work with. You're logged into Slingshot's application, which provides you with a common operating picture of everything happening in the space domain. That picture is fed with real-time space domain awareness data from a variety of sources, including Slingshot's ground-based global telescope network, other commercial data providers, and DoD's space surveillance network, all fused together to present the most comprehensive, accurate, and actionable picture of what's happening in space. You receive an alert about a potential high-interest activity. Slingshot's advanced machine learning tools have detected a maneuver by a Chinese satellite in geosynchronous orbit, where many of the most critical US satellites are stationed. You pull up the satellite's profile from Slingshot's SARA contextual database, which tells you everything from where and when the satellite was launched to who manufactured it, and maybe even what components are on board. Slingshot's advanced analytics show you the satellite's maneuver history, pattern of life, and other insights that provide you with a comprehensive understanding of this potential threat. And it may very well be a threat. The SJ-21 is a Chinese technology demonstration satellite capable of using an onboard robotic arm to grapple nearby satellites. And along its new orbital path is a Space Force missile warning satellite, our eyes in the sky for providing early warning of strategic nuclear attacks. Now you have to decide how to respond. You receive potential courses of action fed directly into Slingshot's application, where you can see how an AI-driven threat agent trained to mimic Chinese behavior might try to counter your move. You review your options and approve the one that allows the missile warning satellite to complete its mission while minimizing the risk of unintended escalation. This course of action is relayed to the Guardians responsible for operating the missile warning satellite, who then plan and execute a maneuver to avoid the threat. Course of action executed, threat mitigated, mission complete.